The process of mining involves blasting of limestone and clay from rock quarries by boring and setting explosive. The technology used in this process is modern and efficient. Once the huge rocks have been fragmented, they are transported to the plant in dump trucks or by conveyor belt. The quarry stone is then delivered through chutes to the crusher, where it is reduced to small chunks by crushing or pounding. The proportional mix of different types of clay, limestone or any other required material is known as pre-homogenization. Each of the raw materials is separated and kept in silos, where it will later be added in specific amounts according to the particular type of cement being produced. Raw material milling takes place in vertical steel mill, which grinds the material through the pressure exerted by 3 conical rollers. Horizontal mills, inside which the material is pulverized by means of steel balls, are also used in this phase. Raw meal homogenization takes place in silos equipped for obtaining a homogeneous mix of the material. In calcination, huge rotary kilns come into play. Inside, at 1400 degrees Celsius, the raw material is transformed into clinker, small dark grey nodules 3 to 4 centimeters in diameter. The clinker is grinded by different size steel balls while it works its way through the mill's 2 chambers, with gypsum being added to extend cement setting times. The cement is then housed in storage silos, from where it is hydraulically or mechanically extracted and transported to facilities where it will be packaged in sacks or supplied in bulk. In either case, it can be shipped by rail car, freighter, truck or ship. Quality assurance is achieved by several types of testing, which includes wet chemical method, compressive testing and X-ray analyzers as per international quality standards. Lucky Cement maintains its technical standard of quality parameter at high level. Ordinary Portland cement has easy workability, lower heat of hydration with high strength at all ages. By maintaining tricalcium aluminate level with the specified limit of 3.5%, sulfate-resistant cement is more resistant to sulfate attacks and is suitable for use in foundations near seashores and canal linings. Lucky Cement also has the capacity to export clinker for customers who have their own grinding units. Clinker can easily be handled by ordinary mineral handling equipment